Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be making an artwork inspired by this beautiful story, which I absolutely love, called Just Ask. If you have not yet read this story, go ahead and put it in the YouTube search bar. There are a couple read alouds available to you. This is a beautiful, beautiful story that we read in class, and I highly recommend you check it out. In the story, Just Ask, they talk about a beautiful garden with lots of different kinds of plants and flowers, where not everything is the same. And so today I'm going to invite you to create your very own garden. You're going to be using watercolor paper, crayons, and watercolors to do a fun resist project. And you are going to be making your very own garden. Now, I really encourage you to make sure that every single plant, every single flower is different. And so I'm actually going to be providing you with a little menu on the side of our video today for you to reference if you run out of ideas, or maybe you only know how to draw 3 different kinds of flowers. Take a look at that menu and you might learn a couple more ways to make different kinds of flowers. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.